Get the hell out of this world, you goddamn epic characters! I'll save you. I don't want the Sigma. Chicken McNugget hits. I told you not to move. Get rid of him. What have you done? Let's go home, chick. I hate you, McQueen Russ Bucket. Don't call us ever again.
Thank you for saving my daughters Penelope and Molly Percy from Sonny and Alice Scudder.
Thank you for saving my daughter, pinkalicious Pinkerton, from Sonny and Alice Scudder.
You're welcome, Mr. and Mrs. Percy and Mrs. Pinkerton. Let's go home, ultimate flock.